Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to delete or uninstall the application in your Android phone. So okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to setting. In your setting, find the application management. So okay guys, click the application management and find the application you want to uninstall or delete. So okay guys, for my example is this application of TikTok. So okay guys, you only have to do is click the uninstall, and we have a pop-up, and do you want to uninstall this application? Click OK. So okay, installing TikTok. So okay, now we have delete the application or uninstall your application in your Android phone. So okay guys, that's it, and thank you for watching.